Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you're coding in 2026, using Claude inside versus code is one of the fastest ways to write, refactor, debug and ship faster without constantly switching tabs. So it's chat plus code edits in one place, inline diffs plus file context, works great for refactors, tests, docs and backhands. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to use Claude with versus code in 2026 cleanly, correctly in like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, install Claude code for this code. So this is crucial. So open VS Code. Okay, go to extensions, search Claude code for VS Code, click install. Official listing is on the VS Code marketplace. Okay, so open the Claude panel after installations. Look for Claude code icon in the sidebar. Okay, keep Claude open while you code. Treat it like a pair programmer panel. Okay, give Claude the right context. Okay, so best practice like mention files or reference code you've selected in the editor. Ask Claude to work only on specific files. Tell it your constraints, stack styles, folder structure, example prompts. For example, you have this, for example, okay, or this. You can stop the video and copy it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.